Now everybody turn up. Not gonna be a grown up. No rules, just diamonds and jewels. All businesses, no witnesses, no homework, no housework. Just sleep and eat. This is sweet. Listen to this beat.
Bell ring, it's over with. Swimming pool, that sounds cool. Hot day with no rules. Wake up, eat, go back to sleep. Dreaming about how I did my teachers wrong, but I think I learned. Hi.
I'm so happy, I'm so glad. Last day of school, this is so rad. Last day of school, it's time to turn up. It's so hot, we're all gonna burn up. No more books to make me bored. No more tests with all these bad scores. No more gym to make me slim. Just a pool where I like to swim. Gonna sleep through this whole day of school. Everybody in class acting like a fool. Teacher, she don't got a clue. Last day of lunch, had stew. It was good, going home. Time to make this good. Every time that I think about it, I be like, all good.
Now everybody turn up. Not gonna be a grown up. No rules, just diamonds and jewels. All businesses, no witnesses, no homework, no housework. Just sleep and eat. This is sweet. Listen to this beat. My swag, my style, my perfect smile. On a sunny day, I make my way. Here chillin' at the pool, I ain't no fool, I'm the golden rule. This is Arnold Moore, bars who stay up late, waiting to open a gate to rule the state. The summer is near, let's make this clear. It's time to make a cheer, it's been a great year. It's time to watch a movie, drink a smoothie.
Kids outside, time to get wild. Shine in the sky, getting hot outside. Jumping in the pool, getting too cool. Sheila, teacher, and stuff. Then I say hello.
Last day that we here, then the school's out. No test, homework, all the rules is out. Everybody go home, let's start the summer break. No need meeting back at the schoolhouse. Hit the pool, kinda hot, need to swim today. After that, might even hit the gym and play Xbox, PlayStation. And I probably sleep late and wake up just in time to see the Pacers play. Yeah, can't wait for dismissal. They make it official. Them classes won't miss them. Spend the whole summer just laughing and tripping. Can't wait for dismissal. They make it official. Them classes won't miss them. Spend the whole summer just laughing and tripping.